Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do something that I haven't done in a long time, and that is an unboxing. And this is going to be the unboxing of my FabFitFun box. The last time I did an unboxing, it was a BoxyCharm, and I still get those. I may go ahead and do another one next month when I get another box, because I already opened that up. So, okay, back to this. FabFitFun is a subscription that is $49.99. You get it 4 times a year. You get the summer, spring, fall, and winter boxes. So it's like over $300 sometimes, if not more, for $49.99. That's what's in your box. You get like a buttload of things. So I'm going to open it up and get started. This is the fall box. So this is pass this on to a friend who would love FabFitFun. So I'm going to put this on here. That's probably backwards, but I'll take a picture and I'll put it somewhere over here so that you can, screenshot that if you want, write it down. You can go ahead and I'm referring a friend and, have fun with it. Okay, the first thing, there was a book that came with it, and I don't know what I did with the book, because I opened the box, but I did not open the box, if that makes sense. I don't know what I did with the book. Hold please. Back. I have the book. I found it. It is basically like a little small magazine, and this month or this season, Meghan Trainor's on the front, and it's a little book that gives you detail, just like a little teeny leaflet I don't want to say leaflet, like a magazine. The first few pages tells you exactly what you get in your box. Then it talks about, other things like, finding cures, charity things, top 5 things, fall, anything like trendy things, like, with trendy clothes. What else? What's going on this season. Then you have your thing about Meghan Trainor. And, talks about, anything that she talks about. And you have, let's see, it's never too late to, and, just a small little magazine that you get once a month or once every 3 months in the boxes. All right, I'm going to open it up because I'm talking too much. The first thing I'm going to pull out is this thing that fell out. And my son was like, what the heck is that, Mom? All right, so this is the Cosmetics Pure C Vitamin C Mixing Crystals. So it says, nothing brightens the skin like vitamin C. Add a dose of the 100% ascorbic acid to your nighttime serum or moisturizer. And this retails for $54. So basically, it's like a little thing, like a little salt shaker thing. And if you want to put it into your moisturizer at night or in the morning, you can just shake a little bit of this in there. Boom, done. All right. Now, the next thing I am picking up is the Human Plus Kind skincare. And that is the body souffle. So lather yourself in a souffle blend of apricot oil and shea butter. Your skin will feel incredibly soft and moisturized. So I'm thinking this is a lotion. I love a good smelling lotion. And I hate that you get like a small little thing. You got to be very sparingly. Elbows and knees. Let me smell this. Okay. Okay, doesn't smell bad. And this retails for $18. Bam. All right, the next thing I have here is the, let me go back to the page. And I do not see it. Is that a mystery gift? It is. It's the mystery gift. So the mystery gift is the Grown Alchemist Biology Beauty Detox Night Cream Peptide 3 Echinacea reishi extract. So this was the guest gift because, you know, sometimes, well, every, right before the season, right before they do your boxes, they usually, I'm noticing that this is not blended out well, or this is just not enough. Anyway, so every season, right before they, like maybe a month before they send you a box, that you can go on the website on FabFitFun.com, log into your account, and you can, there's things that you can pick, and you can pick what, there's like certain, if you're a certain type of member, you have like 3 or 4 choices where you can pick what you want. Or if you are like, I guess, the top member, you can pick everything, I think. Or you have more things you can pick in your box. But sometimes, or I think for me, I think I had like 3 or 4 things I can choose. And sometimes I don't know what I want. So I'm just like, okay, you pick for me. And this is what they picked. So this is the Australian Certified Toxic Free through a profound understanding of human biology, cellular renewal, and nutrient utilization. Our formulations represent a few evolution of scientifically capable biology beauty. Okay. So this advanced detox night cream is formulated with a complex blend of peptides, echinacea, vitamins, hyaluronic acid, essentials, omega fatty acids that detox and regenerate the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, transforming facial skin texture to appear radiant and more youthful looking. I mean, a bitch wants to still look young. 42, what you gonna do? I'm gonna be young, okay? No, I like being 42. I don't have a problem with that. But my face says I could be 35, maybe. I mean, I might be pushing it, but you know, a bitch is 42, just turned 42 on Sunday, okay? So this is great. I love skincare because I'm all about skincare. One, because the older you get, the more your skin is changing, the more you're going to look old, and your girl tries her best not to look old, okay? All right, the next thing I have in here are the Harper and Ari Exfoliation Sugar Cubes in Juice Cleanse. These delightful sugar cubes are a great way to exfoliate and nourish your skin in the shower, all while leaving a yummy scent. Oh, what's the scent? Oh, I ain't gonna lie. That's a scent. That's something I want to eat. I like that. So basically, it's a sugar cube you can use when you're taking a shower. Wipe your ass, you know, do the best. All right. The next thing in my box is, let's see, Aromatherapy Associates Deep Relax Rollerball. Zen out wherever you are with the relaxation blend of vetiver, chamomile, and sandalwood. Oh, I forgot to tell you, those sugar cubes, they retailed for $16. All right, this rollerball retails for $29. Man, this is nice. I can't remember what I actually picked. I think I did pick the lotion. I think I picked that. I know I did pick this. And I know I definitely picked this thing here. 2A. The Kate Spade Lunch Tote. Ditch the paper bag and opt for this cute lunchbox, which features an insulated interior to keep your food cold. And this retails for $30. Well, I like, when I go to the gym, I have MS, so I take my, what do I take? I take my cooling vest with me on days when I need to wear, like when we do TKO class. And I like to put it in a lunchbox, but I've been using my son's lunchbox, and I'm like, somebody ain't gonna eat today. So I have my own box I can put my cooling vest in with all of my, what do you call it? Ice packs, and put it in the gym, and then I put my bangs in there. But this is so cute, and it's insulated, and it's just like perfect size. I like that. And then it's got a top handle. Boom. I mean, you can't go wrong with that. And that retails for $30. All right, the next thing in here is the Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair, Instant Visible Repair, protects from heat styling. And it says it's infused with quinoa protein, macadamia oil, and soy. Instantly repairs and protect your hair from heat styling up to 450 degrees. So the directions are: you shake it well, work a small amount of product in your hands, apply through damp hair, and comb to distribute. Do not rinse. So basically, before you blow dry, put this in your hair, and then it'll protect your hair from heat. But I still would use a spray protectant when you're using flat iron. Oh, hell no. But this retails for $30. All right, the next thing, ooh, I can use one of these. I love these things. Okay, the next thing is the After Spa Hair Towel Wrap. And if you like when you wash your hair, I used to use, what the heck was that? I used to use a t-shirt, but I got these little microfiber thingies, but I can never have enough. It says, what is this? It's the towel design with an elastic loop and button to comfortably dry and hold your hair up. And this retails for $18. I ain't mad. So far, this box has been pretty great. I think that's it. So, my entire box cost $237. And I only paid $49.99 for this box. I probably might go in and change things so that, you know, I can get more variety of different stuff. But what I got, I was fine with. So there you have it. That is my unboxing of the FabFitFun box. All right. See you in a later video. Peace.